36,000 square meters, 42,000 tons annual output, 300 million RMB last year. Hi, I'm Mitty from MYWAY Metal. We started in 2015. Today, we are a fully integrated fastener manufacturer. Threaded rod, bolts, nuts, washers, screws, anchors, construction hardware, over 50,000 products. Monthly output is over 2,400 tons. We meet DIN, ISO, ANSI, and other global standards. Stick around, I will show you how we make it happen. First of all, welcome to our nut workshop. Our workshop area is over 20,000 square meters, have around 45 employees. Annual production capacity exceeds 20,000 tons. This is our raw material area. We use about 1,000 tons of high-quality steel every month. All cold-heading steel wire rods come from major domestic mills. This is our annealing area. Annealing is what makes the internal structure of the nut uniform. We use one advanced Spheroidizing annealing furnace, which gives the wire rods precision heat treatment, making the steel more uniform. We also developed our own patent for this furnace, officially authorized by China's Intellectual Property Office. Next is the wire drawing process. First, lime treatment is applied to provide lubrication and neutralization. Then, for inverted continuous drawing machines with precise tension control, draw the coarse wire rod down to the designed diameter, with the diameter tolerance strictly controlled within 0.02 millimeters. Now we are in our multi-station automatic nut cold heading workshop. Cold heading at room temperature, we apply huge pressure, and the wire flows like liquid inside the die, forming instantly. Cut, ball, corner, punch, final shape, 5 steps, 1 quick motion. We've got 28 cold heading machines here. Now we are in the thread rolling area. We form thread by rolling under huge pressure. 2 plates move against each other. In milliseconds, they roll out a super precise thread. After that, 42 machines take over. Thread rolling and taping. They do precision taping so every nut matches perfectly with the bolts. Next up, inspection. 2 advanced optical sorting machines check every single dimension. In our mechanical lab, 1 hardness tester, 1 tensile tester, so every nut performs exactly as required. And we also led the creation of industry standard for chuck bolts and nuts. This is our warehouse, more than 3,000 square meters of storage. Every batch goes into our smart warehouse system, automatic sorting, precise scheduling. Whether it's a large bulk order or an urgent restock, we can respond quickly and deliver accurately. So as you've seen, we care about every detail. We've got strong capacity, and we even helped raise the national standards. Our mission is higher quality fastening for high-speed rail, cars, construction equipment. Welcome to come see our nut workshop by yourself. Next, let's walk into MYWAY Metal Spot Workshop. Our workshop covers about 10,700 square meters. We have more than 40 employees, and our daily production capacity is 28 tons. What can we make is hex bolts, hex flange bolts, carriage bolts, socket head cut bolts, machine screws, and more. We produce to ISO, DIN, ASN, and other standards. Our material include grades 4.8, 8.8, 10.9, as well as 304 and 316 stainless steel. This is our raw material area. Every year, we use about 10,000 tons of quality steel. And all our cold heading wire rods come from large Chinese steel mills. Now we're in the cold heading workshop. We've got 14 new multi-station machines. At room temperature, the wire takes 2000 to 2500 megapascal of pressure and takes shape instantly, super efficient. Now we move to thread rolling. We've got 15 high-speed rolling machines. Within milliseconds, they form super precise threads. Here is our finished goods warehouse, about 3,000 square meters. Every batch is fully inspected, just waiting to go out to customers. We've been making boats for years. Every single step, we do it right. Come see our boats workshop anytime. Now let's go into MYWAY Metal Screw Workshop. Our whole factory site covers 33,000 square meters. The screw manufacturing area itself is 5,000 square meters. Here is a cold heading workshop. We've got 83 multi-station machines. And cold heading saves material. We use over 95% of the steel, very little waste. Now thread rolling. We've got 80 high-speed machines. In milliseconds, they roll the threads. Super precise, and every screw looks the same. And these 6 tail clampers, they trim and shape the screw tail, so every screw ends up nice and flat, clean and neat. Before we start mass production on any product, we do a first piece check on the thread rolling. That way, we make sure the thread precision and shape are exactly right. Now, finish product inspection. Our testers check cord, driving speed, size, hardness, all the important stuff. That way, every screw matches exactly what the customer's needs. Once they pass inspection, we package them up. Everything is stacked neatly and tied down securely. So our customers around the world get their products in perfect shape. Here is our warehouse. We usually have around 500 tons ready to go, but mostly we produce to order. We make things only after we receive orders. That way, we can deliver on time every time. We carefully control every single step in our screw factory. We do this for one reason, to provide our customers with more stable and efficient screw solutions. Come visit us anytime. Now let's walk into MYWAY Metal's threaded rod and stud workshop. The workshop is around 9,200 square meters. We've got 32 experienced people here, and we can make up to 8,000 tons every year. This is our raw material area. We use about 8,000 tons of raw materials every year. For steel, we choose high-quality carbon steel, Q235, Q195, and 45. These meet the strength requirement of major standards like DIN, ANSI, and GB. For corrosion-resistant applications, we have stainless steel series, SS304 and SS316. And for special conditions that need conductivity and rust prevention, we also use brass materials. This is where we do continuous wire drawing. We've got 4 machines to keep the diameter tolerance as tight as strand of hair. Now thread rolling. We've got 42 high-speed rolling machines. The rolling dies squeeze the metal. It flows and forms threads in milliseconds. Super precise and perfectly meets international standards. This is where we do final inspection. We've got 5 professional testing machines, and we follow ISO 9001 standards strictly. Here is packaging. We do standard or custom packaging here. This keeps the product safe during shipping. Our finished warehouse is 1,500 square meters. We usually have around 300 tons in stock. That means we can respond fast to regular customers' order. Our products include fully threaded rods, U-bolts, anchor bolts, stud bolts, chemical bolts, and all kinds of non-standard parts. We can customize to German, British, American, and other standards. Materials include carbon steel, stainless steel, brass, and more. You are always welcome to come see MYWAY Metals factory, and if you need anything, we are here to help. Bye bye!